we got the front brakes leaking out here. The fluid's looking good. This is 8/11/24, 2006 Honda Accord. Let's tighten it up. Okay, go ahead and pump it again 5 times. And then hold it. Brake comes nice and clear. Okay, relax. Relax. We're at 10 psi. I'm gonna bleed this thing like twice. Okay, pump 5 times. Hold. Did it go down? Good. Yeah, relax. So a great tip is to hang this line on the tire lugs. I guess if you have a Mercedes-Benz and you don't have that luxury. And then you should always, if you do brake jobs a lot, you should just order some of these Hondas and Toyota dust covers. Somewhere along the line, they're always coming off of this. Okay, pump it 5 times. Hold. Looks like it. Keep on holding. Don't relax. Okay, 5 times again. Hold. Nice and clear. Go ahead, 5 times. Hold. All right. Relax. Now I'm gonna flush it. Go around, bleed 1 more time, then we're all set. But the fluid's getting really nice and clean. Let's drop down to 10. Let's go down up to 15, or a little bit less than 15.